Attend, O soul. The scroll still speaks aloud, its letters flame with warnings yet to sound. They rise from dust, they shake the pillars proud, they plant the breath where no breath once was found. It sings of roots that wither when cut free, of hands that break, of heads that lose the path, but also shows what blessing comes to be when law and life unite to turn back wrath. Where no house stands, the waters fail to rise, the stream recedes, the throne begins to crack. No tide remains beneath the severed skies, and what once ruled is given to the lack. The hand begets the deed, the flame. Returned again, the offering refines. What flows from palm shall not return the same, the giver shaped by what his gift defines. But if the tide is dammed, the world withdraws. The tether phrase, the outer path, is lost. Without the reach, the link forgets its cause, and holy flow is turned into its cost. Each step repeats the voice that called before. A double guide sustains the destined track. The path becomes the place, the gate, the door, and what was far ahead looks clearly back. Unbound, the root of rulership decays. The head forgets the source from which it grew. No law remains when craft and form erase. The power lost when work is left untrue. Yet from the seed, the crown is raised again. The house restored, the scattered made complete. In rising grain, the many join the one. The source and stream in meeting softly meet. The hand withdrawn dissolves the final span. Disjoined, the house departs from gift and grace. Where touch is lost, the work unweaves its plan. No blessing finds its form in empty space. But gift and palm and all extend the flame. The total gives itself in every part. Each vessel holds the fullness of the name. No thread is cast aside, no form departs. If water fails, the mouth is closed with sand. Then voice is mute, and names are ground away. Where kin are still, no clan will understand, and prayer declines where none remain to say. Yet breath and wall and mark are sealed in fire. The line is set where covenant has burned. Within the bounds the wind becomes a choir, and lore is sung where once it was just learned. But if the womb is closed, the gate denied, then strength dissolves, and guidance fades to bone. The form forgets the breath it held inside, and seed lies lost when power stands alone. Yet breath to breath declares a sacred tie, a mirrored flame where presence forms and speaks. The wind returns beneath the open sky, and truth is born where hidden silence leaks. No stream, no seed, no path, the source is gone. The house stands empty, void of voice or name. Without the lines, all purpose is withdrawn, for what begins must bear a place to flame. But act and path and will converge and shine. The deed becomes the light the way. Each part reflects the others in design, and blessing breathes in never-dying day. No line can stand where root and womb are torn. No throne is passed where birth is left behind. Inheritance must through the seed be sworn. No distant heir survives when fate is blind. Yet womb and word and form together sound. The covenant is breathed into the clay. The gathered nations rise from hallowed ground, each soul engraved with what the hands convey. And dust with breath is wed, no longer split, the shape restored, the veil withdrawn from man. Where God once knelt, the form again is lit, the image re-enters what it first began. The final breath completes what first was planned. The name returns, and light fulfills the frame. The crown is set, the clay receives the brand, and blessing burns with undivided flame.